Hey everyone, my name is Angelena Shelton, and my capstone project was titled MindSpace. It's a mental health awareness platform. Um, it's a web-based platform that I developed to promote mental health awareness, provide self-assessments, and create safe peer support spaces. And what is the problem? Now, the problem that I saw was the growing mental health challenges. Um, Many people are struggling with their mental health, but don't feel comfortable seeking traditional counseling due to stigma, cost, or accessibility. The problem is that people need anonymous, reliable, and supportive online spaces where they can learn and connect without the fear of judgment. Um, So that's what MindSpace allows you to do. Anonymity. MindSpace was created to fill this gap, and it combines technology with psychology to provide a digital platform where users can take self-assessments, access articles, talk anonymously in forums, use a chatbot if you don't want to talk to like a real person, and quickly reach crisis resources when needed with the emergency button. I chose popular tools that are used in the tech industry, like React.js and Tailwind CSS, and made the interface responsive and user-friendly. Node.js and Express.js provided a strong backend, and MongoDB was the preferred database for scalability. Security was a top priority, so I used a JWT, bcrypt, HTTPS, and followed OWASP recommendations. For methodology, I followed a structured modular methodology. Each feature was developed and tested independently, and my timeline spanned 16 weeks, beginning with research and design, as everyone else, moving into front end and back end, then adding key features, testing, and finally preparing the project for submission and presentation. This is an example of the program logic behind the self-assessment quiz. Users complete questions one by one. The system calculates a score and feedbacks given, such as low, moderate, or high risk, with resources provided as needed. And this ensures the tool is practical and user-friendly. And of course, like any project, I faced challenges. Ensuring user anonymity and safety required moderation tools and strong security, and choosing between MongoDB and MySQL was solved by selecting MongoDB for scalability. Accessibility was addressed by building a responsive design that works well across devices. And the final outcome is a secure, responsive web platform with multiple features to support users. It not only serves as a resource for mental health, but it also demonstrates my full stack development skills as a portfolio project, and we will look at that in just a minute. The broader impact of MindSpace is that it promotes mental health awareness, reduces stigma, and provides users with resources that they may not otherwise access. It bridges my two fields of study, computer science and psychology, in a meaningful way to me. I had actually tried to do something like this prior to my project and did not have the time due to school and everything else I had going on. But this project allowed me to create what I was already wanting to create. So it gave me the time and resources I needed. Okay, so I'm going to splice this together, so this video might seem a little off, but this is my project. This is MindSpace. We've got the homepage here that has different links to different places. I messed it up the day I had to turn it in, and I did get it fixed eventually. So finally, I'm able to show you all everything. I'm gonna put her down there. It's a nav bar. So these take you to the homepage, which we're on. This is our Learn page. This is just a tester article. Um, I'll be able to do that later. Other stuff. I do plan to continue to work on this more in the future. Assessments. And it goes through exactly like how often you've been bothered by listed problems in the last 2 weeks. And it'll ask you the different questions. It'll have a drop down box for the answers. And then get score. So, just a little tester here. Just to show you how it works. Oh, get score. I was going to show you your score was 0 because we clicked 0 on all of them. And it's informational only, not a diagnosis. If you're concerned, consider talking with a professional. Just a disclaimer, because I'm not a medical professional. Let's change all of these to 3 now. Well, I will eventually get there. And then 27 out of 27. So you know that's, well, actually, you might not. That might be something that I'll have to fix. You do need it to say like high risk or low risk. So I will need to do that. Let me see if I do 3 on all of these. And this one's only 7 questions. The other one was 9. That has the name of the official test up there at the top, the PHQ 9 and the GAD 7. Yeah, okay. That will be something that I'll have to fix. All right, then. I'm glad that we know that now. Connect. Here is the forum and the chatbot. Forum has no post yet, but it also gives a disclaimer here. Please follow community guidelines. If you're in a crisis, see the emergency page. We'll go on to the emergency page, which looks a little funky, but I'll have to fix that too. I just got it back to where it's actually showing the information. It gives all of the major emergency resources to get to somebody quickly, to be able to talk to someone quickly. So that's what this page will be for. In a crisis, quickly doing something. Admin, it's going to show this. I'm already logged in through my server, so it's going to show me this stuff. It shouldn't show other people this stuff, but whenever they log on. Otherwise, that's a problem. It's going to show to article title, full article body, publish, and then we can delete that first one. If I wanted to, I could. see, which I'll do this stuff too later. So I enjoy that. Log in. Here's the login stuff. And going to example, you can create an account, and you see down there in the left corner, it's going to say going to register. It takes us to the register page, and we can create an account, and it uses my name as the username. Oops, uses my name as the username. Example. Another disclaimer at the bottom here, because we're not medical professionals. And then log in, you see down at the bottom left there, go to login. Yay, links are working. So happy. All right, and then MindSpace, you click the name or the logo. It's going to take you back to the home page. Quickly get to connect, quickly get to the self-assessment, explore resources on there. And at the bottom, you can call 988 or 911. Yeah, all right. Well, my last slide has my closer on it, so I will see you over there. And I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you later.